गोंयांत 2 दीस चालू आशिल्ले ब्रिक्स परिशदेचो आयतारा समारोप जालो. ब्रिक्स परिशदेचे यजमान आशिल्ले प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी हांणी समारोपाचे उलोवपान आंतरराष्ट्रीय आतंकवादाचेर एक व्यापक संदी आपणावपाक एकवटान काम करचे आनी आतंकवादाचे आड वेव्हारीक सहयोग वाडोवपाक आग्रो केला. आतंकवादाच्या हिंसक सावळेन देशाच्या नागरिकांची सुरक्षा धोक्यान घातला. आमच्या आर्थीक विकासाचे प्रयोगाक बाधित केला अशें तांच्यांनी मुखार म्हळां. आरडेक स्क्वा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
It has been an our honor to see President Zuma, President Temer and President Putin to the beautiful state of Goa for our cooperation and coordination within BRICS and on international issues. Ladies and gentlemen, let me now turn to the issues that received high attention from the BRICS leaders during the summit. We were unanimous in recognizing the threat that terrorism, extremism and radicalization present not just to regional and global peace, stability and economic prosperity, but also to our society, our way of life and humanity as a whole. We are also one in agreeing that BRICS need to work together and act decisively to combat this threat. We underscore the need for close coordination on tracking source of terrorist financing and targeting the hardware of terrorism, including weapons, supplies, ammunition, equipments and training.